Every company requires access permissions. Which employee is allowed access to what? Mark has the following permissions. Melanie this, and Toby has others. This becomes increasingly difficult as companies grow. It can lead to problems with management and compliance. Who has which rights? Who needs which rights? The best solution is to distribute roles according to specific criteria. For example, every employee in a department receive the same rights, or every employee in a certain position, or in a certain building. Go Roles automatically creates these roles from existing data. Reading and analyzing the data can be done within a few hours. And it's compatible with third-party systems, including IDM systems. If Melanie is promoted, she can now be quickly assigned to a new role. Toby will receive the corresponding permissions as soon as he changes departments and loses those that he doesn't need anymore. Go Roles creates the necessary roles quickly and efficiently. When used with Go Identity or any other IDM system, your employees will receive the access rights to each role with just one click. Every company can use automated role management. If you are interested in discussing your specific needs, feel free to contact us.